In the plenary just now, you heard how electrified cars are the future, but they are also the past. 150 years ago, batteries competed with the internal combustion engine, and it won, because fossil fuels have better power density. A global refueling network was created from scratch, and the age of petrol and diesel began. But now, the story has changed. As we worry about emissions, we now have improved electrified technologies. Electrified age has begun. Even before electrification became the trend, Toyota had planned for this future. We launched the Prius, our first hybrid, last century. And since 1997, we have sold more than 16 million hybrid cars around the world. In 2014, we introduced the first fuel cell car, the Mirai. A year later, we promised to reduce our Toyota emission by 90%. And by 2025, we expect to sell 5.5 million electrified cars every year. That means we will be able to offer our customers more than 60 new electrified choices. But then, less than 10% of our sales will not be electrified. But whatever happens between now and 2025, we have hybrid now. It reduces Toyota and Lexus emissions by more than 30% compared to petrol, and requires no special infrastructure. It's also an affordable option with a low cost of ownership. Each year, we invest 40% of our R&D expense to new technologies, such as powertrains of the future, to grow the market. We share many of our patents without charge and form partnerships which help us change from a car maker to a mobility company. But to cover every mobility need and customer demand, we need to deliver a huge variety of affordable models. To address these needs and demand, we created the ZEB factory that I ran in Japan, where we plan and develop our zero-emission vehicles, from small mobility to larger vehicles. In total, we are working on 6 models, either pure Toyotas or in partnership with others. A world of electrified car and truck requires a new business model built on the idea of vehicle life cycle value. To stay profitable, car companies and these dealers need to keep every vehicle within the brand, providing service across the entire life cycle. Our job is to produce vehicles which support this new world.